Rule 2, rule of thirds. The rule of thirds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Placing your subject at one of the 4 sections along the lines creates movement and balance in the image. The rule of thirds is rather simple and is easily the most common rule of photography. Rule of thirds dictates that when you cut your image into thirds, your image is strongest when you place the image at the intersection of the lines and along one of the grid lines. This rule is used constantly in both photography and filmmaking. Now that you know it, you will not be able to unseen it. So along these lines, okay, let's see. Is it model? Lisette Model, Wall Street, New York, framed in 1980, see 1939. This image by Lisette Model uses the rule of thirds in a clever way. She is forcing viewers' eyes to move from the statue above back down to the blurred man below. Having the viewer look back and forth between the 2 figures makes them question the relationship between the 2 figures, suggesting meaning in that relationship. Oh, that's funny. That's exactly what I did. 1, 2. Penfold. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. Penhole approaching shadow. This simple image by Van Hole utilizes the rule of thirds in a very obvious way. As a result, our eyes go immediately to the woman standing at the bottom left corner. And it gets movement of the eyes, yeah. Ryan McGinley. Oh, that's beautiful. Running Sunset, 2007. Another image that's been cut into a very literal thirds is this image by photographer Ryan McGinley. Our eyes are drawn to the runner in the image and then allowed to look and wonder about where they're going. The use of negative space in the sky as the other 2/3 of the image gives balance to the heavy ground below. Yeah. Alessandra Sanguinetti. That's cute. So powerful there. Alessandra Sanguinetti from the book The Adventure of Giles and Belinda, 1999. Mrs. Sanguinetti draws us into the gaze of her subject here by placing both figures on the grid lines of the rule of thirds. Because of her use of the rule of thirds, viewers are pulled into the gaze of the subject on the right. Then our eyes go to the figure on the left and circle back to the figure on the right. This circular viewing keeps us drawn into what's happening in the image and has us asking questions like who these girls are and what their adventures might be like. So true. Okay, so that's rule of thirds, rule number 2.